Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. First, search and download the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile phone. Open the Teams app and log into your Microsoft account by adding your credentials. Go to the Calendar tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your calendar view. Tap on the plus sign located at the bottom right side of the screen. Enter the title of the meeting in the bar. If you toggle on the all-day option, you will get a maximum of 60 minutes for each meeting. Set the start and end times of the meeting. Add other details including the description, location, repetition, and more. Tap on Done and your event will be created. Tap on the event to view details about it. Tap on the Join button if you want to join. Tap on See More to view the link to join the meeting. Tap on the link to join the meeting, or you can share it with others to join. Tap on Meeting option and select who can bypass the lobby by tapping. Then select who can present by tapping on the relevant option. Tap on Save to save the meeting. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.